Hello, my name is David Lewis. Have you ever wondered why customers go dark? You know, they send you an email requesting information, you provide that information, and then you never hear from them again. Or you call the number they have provided and it either goes directly to a voicemail and you never hear back from them, or worse, it was a bad number. In my workshop at Digital Dealer 25, which is Why Customers Go Dark, I will share with you why this happens and how to stop it from happening in the future. Plus, how to create even more appointments that will actually show up at the dealership. You know, anyone can book an appointment, but getting them to actually show up for that appointment is the true level of success. So I hope you'll join me October 16th to the 18th at Digital Dealer 25 in Las Vegas, where I will present my topic, Why Customers Go Dark, and how to make each lead you receive a valuable asset that will show up for an appointment. I look forward to seeing all of you in October.